Good morning, everyone. Before telling you that why I want to join the faculty, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kashish Saxena, and I belong to City Haldwani, District Nainital, State Uttarakhand. Basically, I have done my schooling from Saint Teresa Senior Secondary School, Katgodam, and I have done my intermediate in commerce. Commerce with math was my subject, and my strong subjects are economics, accountancy, and business. I got 98 marks in economics, I got 96 marks in accountancy, and 92 marks in business studies. So I think that I am very strong in these subjects, and I have been teaching the students just after my class 12th examination. After my class 12th examination, I started teaching tuitions also, and I was having class 11th and 12th students of commerce subjects, and I was also having class 3rd to class 10th students as my side by side. So basically my main focus was to teach the commerce students, and so that I can get some experience of teaching and having good confidence over teaching. Other than this, I am also doing CA, and currently I am in CA intermediate level. Group 1 is cleared, and I have been preparing for Group 2 exams. So I wanted to teach because it's my passion. I love doing this job. Even if I am doing CA, it is just as a career opportunity that I had after my class 12th exam, because I felt like I should be giving some competitive exams also as to strengthen my knowledge. And other than this, I would like to say that I like teaching because I don't know where it's inbuilt in myself that I will do just this job or just this business. When I was in class 9th and 10th, everybody was saying that if you wanted to go in a teaching career, then you should take science. But I took commerce with maths because I found this subject really, really strengthening, and I was having interest in the subjects, and I feel right now that I am good enough to qualify any exam if it is asked in these subjects. I have currently given my CUET PG exam for doing the post graduation. Here's one more thing, that I have done my graduation from Kumaon University MBPG college, and currently my degree is not arrived, but I guess in July or September of 2025 it will arrive. So I would like to say that I have done my graduation in BCom, bachelor's in commerce, and currently I am looking forward to teaching, uh, to be a teacher in any of the online platforms or offline platforms that are offering good education to the students. I also have a YouTube channel, but I feel like personally that students don't trust the sources which are new. Students uh, basically trust the sources that are providing so many things, like there are so many teachers right now, so many faculties right now that are providing the things. So why a student is going to see or going to watch or even going to trust a new video which is having just some 2 digit or 3 digit subscribers? So basically I wanted to teach in a faculty, in a basically in a platform where I am being acknowledged, and I promise that if you even see my demo videos, my demo notes, and the way I am delivering myself, delivering my knowledge to the students, it will not be a waste basically. So this is all for it. I think that I have said too much, but I am really passionate about teaching. So please look forward, and please respond if there is anything that is missing out in me, because I know I'm young, so that can be a reason that people are not going to trust my ability. But I think that I am good enough to deliver myself. I would like to teach the subjects class 6 to 12th, and from class 6 to 12th, from 6 to 8 I am comfortable in teaching science and SST. From class 9th and 10th I am comfortable in teaching the SST subject. I basically scored 97 marks in SST in class 10th board exams. And class 11th and 12th I would like to teach commerce subjects. First of all, economics, then business, then accountancy. I scored 98 in economics, 96 in accountancy, and 92 in business studies in my class 12th board exams. And I would also like to teach CUET UG students and CUET PG students the commerce subjects. And currently, as I have given my CUET PG exam, so I am well versed with the roadmap to how to clear that CUET exams, and I have been really working very hard to get an opportunity of teaching in any of the good platform. So I'm looking forward to you. I hope that you like my video, and I am comfortable in English as well as Hindi language for teaching. Thank you so much.